How to withdraw Solana from Photon Wallet best method. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you on how you can go ahead and withdraw some Solana from your Photon wallet in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you are going to be doing is first of all, you're going to make sure that you actually have Solana in your wallet. So to get Solana, obviously, you can go ahead and deposit it in any amount, or you can even go ahead and stake it, go ahead and trade it in for yourself. And once you have Solana for yourself to withdraw it, what you're simply going to be doing is come over to withdraw right over here. And once you're in withdraw, obviously, depending on the balance that you have in your wallet, you're going to add the input address, add the input amount, choose the wallet that you want to withdraw it to, and simply click on withdraw. And that will go ahead and withdraw Solana from your Photon wallet in the easiest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.